Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up your LLC in Texas. There are 5 main steps that you need to follow to register an LLC in Texas, and I'll give you a general overview of each one. If you would rather have a professional company handle all this tedious work for you, feel free to skip ahead in the video to watch the step-by-step tutorial on how you can register your LLC using Doula. I've included a special discount link to Doula in the description below, so you can save 10% right off the bat. Let's get started with the steps. To establish an LLC in Texas, you'll begin with naming your business. The name you choose must comply with Texas regulations, ensuring it ends with one of the specified designations. Limited Liability Company, Limited Company, LTD, Co., LLC, or LC. This requirement is crucial for indicating the nature of your business to the public. Additionally, your chosen name must be distinctive and not too similar to existing business names or government entities to prevent confusion. To verify the availability of your desired name, you can conduct a name search through the Texas Secretary of State's online database, which will help you avoid any potential naming conflicts. Next, you need to find a resident agent for your LLC. This person or entity serves as your official point of contact for legal matters. They are responsible for receiving important documents, including tax notices, legal summons, and other official communications from the state. Having a reliable resident agent is essential to ensure that you don't miss critical deadlines or notifications. The agent must be either a Texas resident or a business entity authorized to operate in Texas, and they must have a physical address in the state. P.O. boxes are not acceptable. Availability during regular business hours is also a requirement, as the agent must be present to accept any legal documents. Once you have your name and resident agent, the next step is to file the LLC Certificate of Formation. This document, sometimes called Articles of Organization in other jurisdictions, is the official form that creates your LLC. The Certificate of Formation must include the LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, the purpose of the LLC, a brief description of what the business will do, the date of filing, and information about the management structure, which can specify whether the LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed. Form 205 is the designated document for this purpose in Texas. The filing fee for Form 205 is $300, which is non-refundable, so ensure that all information is accurate before submitting. If you are a foreign LLC wishing to operate in Texas, you'll need to fill out Form 304 instead, which carries a higher fee of $750. You can file your Certificate of Formation online, which is often the fastest and most efficient method, or you can choose to submit it via mail, fax, or in person. When filing, keep in mind that processing times can vary, so it's wise to file well in advance of any deadlines. After successfully filing your Certificate of Formation, obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a critical step. An EIN issued by the IRS functions as your business's federal tax ID number, akin to a social security number for individuals. It's essential for a variety of business functions, such as opening a business bank account, filing taxes, and hiring employees. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website, and the process is usually quick and straightforward, often providing you with your number immediately upon completion. Although not legally mandated in Texas, creating an LLC operating agreement is highly recommended, particularly if your LLC has multiple members. This document is a foundational agreement that outlines the management structure of the LLC, the roles and responsibilities of each member, and the rules governing the operation of the business. It can address important aspects such as the distribution of profits and losses, procedures for adding or removing members, and steps to take in the event of dissolution. Having an operating agreement can help prevent disputes among members and provides a clear framework for decision-making. Once your LLC is established, maintaining a separation between personal and business finances is crucial. This separation is vital to protecting your personal assets from business liabilities, as commingling finances can lead to a legal concept known as piercing the corporate veil. To maintain this separation, you should open a dedicated business bank account and obtain a business credit card. This practice not only simplifies your accounting, but also enhances your credibility with customers and vendors. Furthermore, consider hiring an accountant or using accounting software to help manage your finances effectively, ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations. In addition to financial management, it's essential to evaluate whether your business needs insurance. Depending on your industry and business activities, various types of business insurance may be necessary to protect against liability, property damage, or other risks. Research the insurance options available for your specific business needs and consult with an insurance agent to find the best coverage. Finally, setting up a professional online presence through a business website is an important step. A well-designed website can enhance your business's credibility, showcase your products or services, and serve as a platform for customer engagement. If you're not comfortable creating a website yourself, consider hiring a web designer or utilizing website building tools that make the process easier. This online presence will not only attract customers, but also allow you to share important information about your business and updates, further establishing your brand in the marketplace. Focusing on these foundational steps will help you effectively launch and manage your LLC in Texas, setting you up for long-term success while minimizing risks and legal complications. So those are the 5 steps to registering your LLC in Texas. In my opinion, you're better off leaving the legal paperwork to the professionals so you can focus on your business. So here's a shortcut. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your LLC using Doula, which will save you a lot of time and headache. Click the link in the description. It will take you directly to the Doula homepage so you can follow along. To set up your LLC with Doula, you start by navigating to their website and clicking the Get Started button. The process begins with entering some basic information, such as your first and last name, email address. The email you provide will be used for communication and updates about your LLC filing. Next, you'll select your country of residence. Doula caters to international clients, so you can choose from a wide range of countries. The platform makes it easy to pick your country of origin and proceed with the necessary international considerations. After that, you'll choose the type of business entity you want to form. Doula offers 3 options: LLC, Limited Liability Company, C Corporation, and DAO LLC. The LLC is a popular choice for small businesses due to its flexible structure, whereas a C Corporation is ideal if you're planning to issue stock or attract investors. The DAO LLC is a unique option for businesses that operate on blockchain technology, providing legal protection for decentralized organizations. Once you've chosen your business entity, you'll be prompted to select the state where you want to form your LLC. If you're a resident of a particular state, you'll likely want to select that one. However, if you're an international client, you can choose a state that has favorable regulations and tax structures for businesses, such as Delaware or Wyoming. Doula provides helpful guidance on state-specific filing fees and tax obligations to assist you in making an informed decision. Once all the details are entered and reviewed, you can proceed to select one of Doula's service packages. The platform offers the starter plan, which includes basic services like EIN filings and compliance reminders, or the more comprehensive Total Compliance package, which handles everything from formation to tax filings and accounting support. After you've selected your package and confirmed all the details, you'll be directed to a payment page where you can finalize the setup by entering your payment information. With just a few clicks, your LLC formation will be submitted, and Doula will take care of the rest, making the process simple, transparent, and efficient. Finally, here are some quick pros and cons of using Doula. On the plus side, Doula caters to international clients, offers a simple and streamlined process, and has a competitive pricing structure. That's how you can set up your LLC in Texas using Doula. Now, if you want to move forward with setting up your LLC, I've partnered with Doula to make the whole process really easy. Click the link in the description and use this code to get an immediate 10% discount on your plan.